Welcome everyone to Digitest online training. I am by name Debayo Oluwaseun. So I am the convener of Digitest online training. So we'll be considering introduction to Ads Manager interface and how to navigate it. So we'll be looking at what Ads Manager is all about. We are talking about Ads Manager. We are talking about Facebook Ads Manager. If you are using a system, you will see your Ads Manager, your Facebook Business Manager. Also, if you are using a mobile phone. So without much talk, what is Facebook Ads Manager? Facebook Manager is just is a tool, is an interface, is a tool in your business for your business to create and manage your Facebook advertising campaign. In short, Facebook Manager was designed for you to create and manage your Facebook advertising. It's just a portion of your Facebook that is dedicated for Facebook advert, and it's user friendly. I'm going to show us now. It's user friendly. So this is our Facebook Ads Manager. Can you see? So it's user friendly. You can use it step by step to create your ads, your ad sets, everything you need to set up your Facebook advert. Not only that, this this business manager also have some tools that you can use to analyze your advert. Maybe your advert is performing. It's a business can use the reporting analytical features to track their campaign performance and make data-driven decision. So these have business manager. You can see from here, you can see new campaign, bid strategy, the budget I'm using for the campaign, and the attribute setting, the results. Can you see? You can see the result of the campaign, then the reach and the impression. That's some of the reporting metrics that you see in your Facebook Ads Manager. So we are going to be looking at some important components interface in our Facebook Ads Manager. So the first thing we are going to look at is the Facebook Ads Manager dashboard. Let's see. Facebook Ads Manager is the main hub of interface which show an overview of all the campaign assets and ads. So let me show us this. Okay, this is our Ads Manager dashboard. Can you see? This is just an overview of what the dashboard is all about. So let me take us to a fresh dashboard. For some of us that are still new, our own will be blank. Nothing will be there. Let me take it to a fresh dashboard. Let it load. So this is our dashboard. You can see this is showing our campaign, our ad set, then our ads. All these things have their specific what? Function. So this is our dashboard. Here is our what? Dashboard. This interface is what is referred to as our dashboard. So then we also have the second one is the campaign ad set ads. These are building blocks that build for your advertising campaign, with campaign representing your overall marketing objective, ad set representing different target criteria, then ads representing individual creative. So I'm going to explain it to us. So let's go back to so this campaign, this is where you choose your campaign objective. Okay, I want to run traffic ads, I want to run advert to my website, I want to run advert to my YouTube, I want to run advert to my WhatsApp. So this campaign, ads campaign is where you choose that. Okay, this advert I want to run, what is my objective? Where do I want to run the advert to? This campaign is where that one is being done. Then the asset is where you target, where you do your targeting. Okay, this campaign, I want to target male, I want to target female, I want to target people in Lagos, I want to target people in Ibadan, I want to target people in Nigeria, target people in USA, in America, in Ghana, in Cameroon, etc. So you do all that in your ad set. Then your ad, this is where you talk about your creative, your text, your image. You also select your page or pages in these ads. So let's go to the next thing we have here. Then we have a navigating menu. A menu located at the left hand side of the interface, which provides access to all the main features of Ads Manager. So let's see. So this is our navigating menu. Can you see? If you put your cursor on it, you see all tools. Let me click on it. You can see this. From this navigating menu, you can go to your ad settings, business settings, account quality, event manager, billing, and you can also see some other options that you can explore as you learn about Facebook ads. So another thing we'll also talk about is the reporting and analytical, a range of tools and features that allow you to track the performance of your campaign, such as reach, impression, click, conversion, and make a data-driven decision. So let me show you from here what we are talking about. So let's go to the main campaign. So I'm going to show us. Okay, I want to briefly. Okay, look at here. Here I want the range. Let's say maximum. Here you choose the result you want to see, or the analytical reporting you want to see. Maybe a month old reporting, this and that. But this reporting is, you can see, maximum from March to May. Let's see the analytical reporting we are talking about here. You can see the campaign, the budget, daily budget now is 5,000. Then look at the results. How many something we have? 65. Reach 5,000 plus. The impression 5,000 plus. Cost per result, you see, 50 naira plus. Then the amount I spent for that campaign before I stopped it is 3,000 plus. You can also see some other results. Let's see the one that has amazing result. You can see this one is 500 plus, and the cost per result is what? 20 naira plus. Can you see? So if you are kind of person that is run this kind of ad, you know that the one that is giving you lower cost per result, you allow that one to run. Then the one that is giving you higher cost per result, you do what? You turn off that. So can you see the cost per result and the like? So from here now, I can make decision on which advert to switch off, which advert to allow to run, which advert not to allow to run. So that will be all on this section. See you in the next video.